Atom, molecules and nuclei. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which contain all properties of element. Molecule is a single atom or a group of atoms joined by chemical bonds. J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson suggests atom or suggests positively charged lump of matter with electrons embedded in them like resin in a fruit cake. Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford model of atom. This experiment how we describe. This is your lead cavity. This is radioactive structure, and this is lead plate with sheet. This is thin gold coil, and when the ray reflected on this sheet, this is part. This is your light part. This is scattered light, and this is ZNS coated screen light due to flash due to alpha particles. Observation means most of alpha particle pass through the foil straight, always undeflected. Some of them are deflected through a small angle. A very small number of alpha particle practically reached their path or suffer deflection or nearly 180 degree. Conclusion: at the center of atom there is a nucleus of radius approx 10 to the power minus 14 meter, in which entire positive charge and entire mass of atom is concentrated. The electrons are distributed in a hollow sphere of radius nearly 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The total negative charge of electron is equal to the positive charge of nucleus. Distance of closest approach rho is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 into Z square upon Ek. Ek is equal to kinetic of incident particle. Z is charge of largest nucleus. Bohr hydrogen atom. Bohr hydrogen atom is equal to MVR is equal to NH upon 2 pi, which is principal quantum number. Ionization energy. Hydrogen atom is the energy required to remove the electron completely. Energy required to remove the electron from ground state is 13.6 eV. Energy level. Energy E is equal to minus 13.6 eV upon n square. N is equal to quantum number. Nucleus. Number of proton is equal to atomic number of that elements and remaining particle to fulfill the mass number of neutron. Properties of nucleus. Nuclear size 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power 15 meter. Radius of nucleus R is equal to Rho A 1 by 3. Rho is 1.3 Fermi. A is mass number. Size of atom 10 to the power minus 19 meter. V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi Rho A 1 by 3 upon 3. Rho is equal to mass of nucleus upon volume of nucleus. MP is equal to 4 upon 3 pi Rho cube. MP is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 22 kg, and FO is equal to 1.3 Fermi. Atomic mass. Atomic mass is equal to 1 upon 12 mass of carbon nucleus. 1 AMU is equal to 1.992678 into 10 to the power minus 26 upon 12 kg, which is equal to 931 MeV. Isotopes. Same atomic number but different mass number. 1 H1 and 1 H2. Isobar. Same mass number but different atomic number. This is O8 12 F9 17. Isotones. Atom of different element of which nuclei have same number of neutrons but different number of proton. Na 11 23 and Mg 12 24. Radioactivity. Alpha decay. X AZ y का पावर 4 z minus 2 plus he 2 upon 4. Beta decay n p plus e electron and v is your anti-neutron. Gamma decay C612 plus gamma. Radioactivity decay minus dn upon dt is equal to gamma n minus dn upon dt. Rate of decay, number of nucleus. Half life. The time required for number of parent nuclei to fall to 50% is called half-life T half and may be related as lambda as follow. Mean life T average is equal to 1 upon lambda. Estimation of Earth age. Uranium U-92 is ultimately decayed into state lead. Suppose in some rock of Earth the quantities of uranium and lead are found to be in the ratio 2:1. Carbon decay is equal to lambda is equal to 0.693 upon T का power half. Binding energy required to completely separate the nucleus. Mass defect is equal to number of proton plus mass of proton plus